point, I really expect there to be no requests, but I'm telling it to respond in case we did something wrong, so we can catch it in our test. So that's the server. Now let's look at the time. If I were to use JavaScript's timing issue, I'd have to use set timeout, which is the only way you can delay a function in JavaScript. Then we have to do this, and here's another set timeout. I guess you can see where this is headed. So this isn't going to get pretty. And it's also going to get slow because we then have to actually wait as the test is waiting. So basically, a better approach is to fake the time as well. We're already faking the server. We can fake time too. Okay, so rather than this, we can say this.clock, which is another object that sign-in injects into the test case. It has a method called tick. And I can pass it a number of milliseconds to tick the clock. And we do this a couple more times. This clock, tick 50. And for the last one, I'm going to tick it 100 milliseconds. And this means that for the purpose of this test, our threshold in the throttling logic is going to be 100 milliseconds. If I find that the experience is not live enough when using that, I can lower it to 75 or whatever. You know, maybe even I could provide it here. But the point is that we don't need that in this first version, so I'm not going to do that. So now I have a completed test that should be runnable. So let's try to run it. So with JS Test Driver, I need a